So look, I got a special song with one of my special friends. Y'all might know her name. She goes by the name of Kaylani. Make some motherfucking noise. And I got a little slang. And it goes a little something like this. Everybody hands up in this bitch.
Yeah. Hey.